JLG Industries presents the function check for JLG scissor lifts. You will learn how to conduct a proper function check of scissor controls and safety devices. By viewing this video, you are accepting responsibility for the safe and proper operation of your machine and for complying with all applicable laws and regulations covering its proper use. You must not operate any machine until you have read and understood the operation and safety manual and any other required manuals and have completed training under the supervision of an experienced and qualified operator. This video is one part of JLG's safety video series and is intended to serve as a supplement to your machine's required manuals, located in the manual storage holder on the platform. These documents must be kept with the machine at all times, and if not available, must be obtained by contacting your local JLG distributor or at www.jlg.com. Before using each day, or when changing operators, you must conduct a pre-operational check of your machine. This video focuses on the function check only. Always refer to your operation and safety manual for the complete pre-start inspection procedure. The function check ensures all functions operate smoothly with precise control, stop upon release, and the controls return back to neutral. It also provides the opportunity to visually inspect items that could not be completely seen during the walk-around. The machine shown in this video is the JLG 2630 ES, a battery-powered electric scissor lift, which may not be representative of your JLG scissor lift. Your lift may be a different model or have a different power source, but the function check will be similar. Always follow the daily inspection in your model's operation and safety manual. Although it may appear time-consuming, once you become familiar with the procedure, you can complete it more efficiently. If at any time you discover any damage or discrepancy, shut down the machine immediately. Report the problem to the proper personnel. Do not operate the machine until it is declared safe for operation. Before starting your check, verify you are using the proper personal protective equipment. JLG recommends all personnel on the platform to wear a full-body harness with a lanyard attached to an authorized anchorage point, and all platform and ground personnel wear approved head protection. You are responsible for wearing the required personal protective equipment as it applies to your work. Ensure the machine is on a firm, level surface in an area free of overhead and ground level obstructions, with no load in the platform. Ensure you have enough clearance around the machine. Always start the function check with the ground controls. This is the control station that can override the platform controls in an emergency. Turn the ground platform key switch to ground and pull out the emergency stop switch. Lift and lower the platform to ensure smooth operation. When you raise the platform, ensure that the pothole protection system properly lowers in place. Test the emergency stop switch. Lower the platform until it is a few inches above the stowed position. Depress the emergency stop switch while lowering. The function must stop. Next, test the manual descent system. Locate the manual descent handle and pull to lower the deck. Refer to your operation and safety manual for instructions on your specific model. This concludes testing the ground controls. You are now ready to check the platform controls. Turn the key switch to platform and pull out the emergency stop switch. Use extreme caution when entering and leaving the platform. Always face the machine and use the three-point contact method. This means that one hand and 2 feet, or 2 hands and 1 foot, are in contact with the machine and/or ground at all times. Ensure the entrance is secured. Properly secure the lanyard from your fall protection device to one of the designated anchorage points. Pull out the emergency stop switch. Check all indicator lights during the bulb check when the power is turned on. Test the trigger switch. Attempt to activate a control without enabling the switch. The function must not work. Now, enable the trigger switch and activate a control. Lift and lower the platform to ensure smooth operation. Test the emergency stop switch. Lower the platform until it is a few inches above the stowed position. Depress the emergency stop switch while lowering. The function must stop. If operating properly, pull out the switch and finish lowering. Test the horn. Now check the drive function. Drive forward, then drive backward. Test the steering. Steer right, then steer left. Now test the high drive speed cutout. When the platform is lifted above a certain height, only the low drive speed will function. Refer to your operation and safety manual for the maximum platform height. Next, check the drive brake. Drive onto a grade that does not exceed the maximum gradeability and stop. The machine must hold on the grade. If equipped, test the pothole protection system. If the pothole protection system bar comes into contact with any obstruction, the drive function must not operate. Remove the platform control console and verify from the ground that the drive cutout functions properly as outlined in the operation and safety manual. This concludes the function check. To review, all functions must operate smoothly with precise control. Check the ground controls before checking the platform controls. Check all safety devices specific to your model. And if the machine does not operate properly, shut down the machine immediately. Report the problem to the proper personnel. Do not operate the machine until it is declared safe for operation. Conducting a proper function check is one part of your pre-start inspection that helps you to complete your work safely. Safe operation is critical to avoid potential hazards. Remember, you are responsible for completing the proper training, for reading and understanding the required manuals, and for complying with all applicable laws and regulations. If you require further clarification on operating your machine, contact JLG Product Safety and Reliability at 877-554-7233. +1 717-485-6591 if outside of the United States, or by email at productsafety@jlg.com. JLG Ground Support, reaching out to help you reach your potential.